If you have a creative kid like mine, this DIY creative workstation is a great alternative to save space in your home. It's a whiteboard, it's a working desk, and it's completely off the ground. Hi, I'm Rosa. I am your DIY carpentry expert, and this is my daughter, Melania.
Hi.
And what I love to do is teach parents and kids how to get together and do really awesome projects. I've already pre-cut my pieces, but you'll need to have your pieces cut at the following sizes. This creative workstation was made out of one full sheet of 3/4 plywood and one 1x2. So to begin to assemble them, we're gonna use a little bit of wood glue, place it, clamp it in place, and 1.5 inch wood screws. I like this workstation because it's gonna give Melania a place to keep all her creative stuff. Like, she's really into art, she loves her art supplies, and it's gonna keep everything nice and organized and not all over my house. There we go. Aha! Look at this, Melania.
Oh, there's a face on the board.
A face?
Cause look, it's like the eye, and then the nose, and then the mouth, and it's.
I guess I can
And then
see
the
it.
head is like. Y'all just don't have creative minds.
Well. So let's build some support brackets. You'll need 2 pieces at 11.25 inches and 2 pieces at 12 inches.
Safety glasses on,
Safety
and
glasses.
keep your fingers behind the finger line.
We want to lead with all our fingers and all our toes.
Yes.
Go ahead. Good job. Signal to play. Signal to play.
Mommy, you're gonna hit somebody.
No, I'm signaling the plane
Or
in
shatter
like
a window.
So now we have to do some miter cuts. We're gonna go 45 degrees on both sides. And from longest point to longest point, we should have 16 inches.
Got it. Oh wait, Mommy, did you hear the joke about the plane?
No.
It'd probably go over your head.
Boo! Continuing with our glue and screw method, we're gonna use a little bit of glue, but this time we're using 1 1/4 inch wood screws.
Screw and glue, screw and glue. Let's put glue here, glue, yeah?
All right, so your support triangles are done. Let's paint this workstation. So now we have all of the pieces for our desk, right? We have our body, we have our drop leaf, we have our sections that are gonna go inside, and we have our support brackets. Let's get started painting. To amp up the creativity, we're using dry erase paint on the drop leaf.
Why am I using a different type of paint?
Well, because this is a creative workstation, so this is gonna allow you to be able to write like stuff on your board. It's gonna be really fun.
Hey, Mom.
Yes, honey?
You know that if I saw these videos and we weren't in them and we had no idea and we weren't making this stuff, I would like send you links and then ask you to build it for me.
Oh, that means you really like it. You really, really love it.
Yes, I really do like it. And if you couldn't tell just now, I was imitating your voice.
Oh, that's the way I sound? I don't
Yeah.
sound like that. We're all finished painting, so what do we gotta do?
Set this aside and let it dry.
You got it. Once our piece is dry, we're gonna add corkboard to the back. We're gonna double it up just to have nice, thick cork to be able to really get things pushed into the corkboard. So we're just measuring the inside of the board and cutting out the corkboard to fit inside.
Oh, we almost forgot.
We're using scissors.
Safety comes first.
And to secure it down, we're just using a hot glue gun. So now we have to attach all of our pieces to our desk. And to do that, we're gonna be using piano hinges.
Why do they call them piano hinges?
I don't know. Maybe because pianos open and close, like to cover the keys.
Oh, yeah.
Da, 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 da. So we're using a 30-inch piano hinge for the drop leaf. Ta-da! Now it goes up, and now it comes down. So these are our support brackets. We need to attach them to the base of the desk using the same piano hinge. These are 12 inches. You want to give yourself about an inch clearance from the outside in. Okay, we got a working hinge. There we go.
Okay, do the other one.
All right.
Stop stalling.
1, 2. Ta-da! And now you can write sweet messages to your mom.
Get out my room.
To hang this up on the wall, we're using 2 12-inch French cleats. Each cleat will hold 100 pounds, but just make sure that the kids know they should not be sitting on this desk. How amazing is this? Storage for their art materials, a corkboard to put their work on display, complete with a working whiteboard that turns into a sit-up desk.